Stick around to the end of the video for a new WCU feature, the contest tip of the week. Welcome to this week's contest update. I started this channel to encourage new hams in their operation. Personally, I'm a contester and enjoy the challenges offered by contesting. I also find a lot of value in contest participation. This weekly contesting update will be posted on Mondays and will focus on contests that I think new hams would first be able to accomplish with minimum effort, and secondly, would probably enjoy. I list contests that are coming up in the next 2 weeks to give you time to plan and prepare for any contests that might catch your eye. All times use the 24-hour clock and are in Coordinated Universal Time, which is also known as UTC, Greenwich Mean Time, and Zulu Time. A link to help you determine the time offset for your particular location is in the description below. Now you'll also want some contesting software, so there's a link in the description to a list of contesting software. Some I've used, many or even most I haven't. Please leave any comments on the software you pick in the comments. It's a little redundant, right? Yeah. Links for all the rules in these contests are in the video description, and as always, stay within the operating limits of your license class, meaning frequency, power, and mode. We're going to start with one that we've been hitting every week now, the Worldwide Sideband Activity Contest. It starts at 0100 Zulu and it goes to 0159. That's what makes it a 1-hour contest. This one will be on Tuesday, May 25th, 2021. It is a 1-hour long contest, SSB only. It focuses on young hams and lady hams. There's even a special category for young lady hams. Now, the one caution I'd give you is don't drag your feet putting in your log, as they are due no later than the day after the contest. There are more instances of this contest happening over the next several months. They happen every Tuesday at the same time. So if you miss this week, try again next week. Now we talk about the Day of the YLs contest. This one's for the ladies, although those of us with more testosterone than estrogen are also welcome to compete as well. It starts at 001 Zulu on May 29th and goes to 2359 on May 30th. The bands are 80, 40, 20, 10, VHF 2 meter. The modes, CW, SSB, FT8, RIDI, DMR, Fusion, and D-Star. So even if you only have an HT, you might be able to work these. And now the big one, this is one of the top contests in the country every year. So there's going to be a lot of DX out there. It's the CQ Worldwide WPX Contest. Now, although this is a CW contest, you're not prevented from using your computer to generate and read Morse code for you. Many contest software packages will do this, and many newer radios also have this capability. However, I'd recommend using Ham Radio Deluxe in conjunction with K1EL WinKeyer. Now, I get no funding from either of these guys, but I've been a user of both for several years and can heartily endorse them. Links for both are in the video description. The contest runs from 0000 Zulu on May 29th to 2359 Zulu on May 30th. That makes it a 48-hour long contest. Read the rules, because if you're operating single, you're only allowed a certain number of hours within that contest. In this contest, you want to work as many different hams as you can for points. And now the multipliers are your call sign prefixes. The prefix is the letter and number at the front of your call. For example, my prefix is ND3. The bands will be full of hams, as this is probably in the top 5 list of contests operated every year, and probably in the top 3 of CW contesting. They also have phone and RTTY flavors of this contest on other dates, which I will dutifully report to you when they are coming up. Now, I have to apologize. I put off, it's been a very busy week for me. I haven't been feeling well. I got my COVID shot, second COVID shot back a week ago, and it's been kicking my butt. And I've been wanting to sleep a lot more than write scripts and produce videos. But I promised you I'd have one on Monday, so here it is, Sunday afternoon. And the contests that I've just listed are those that I'm recommending coming up over this week and this weekend. But I don't want to spend any more time. I don't want to go in depth on these. But I will promise to go in depth on this next week's update. Please, if you want to do a little homework, go down to the video description, look at the rules. And kind of familiarize yourself, so next week when I'm talking about it, you can say, oh yeah, that's what he was talking about. Great. Now, the Pennsylvania Ohio DX Society, or PODXS 070 Club, has a 3-day weekend contest coming up. It's from 000 Zulu, June 4th, to 2359 Zulu on June 6th. This is a fun one. It is PSK, but guess what? Ham Radio Deluxe again will do PSK, and it's probably one of the most used ones out there. If you don't want to spend the money for Ham Radio Deluxe, and I'll tell you, I find it's been worth every penny. There are a lot of PSK software programs out there that you can download. Just do a search for PSK software, and you'll find them. The next one is also a PSK contest. It's the 1010 International Open Season PSK contest. It goes from 000 Zulu to on June 5th to 2400 Zulu on June 6th. Again, Ham Radio Deluxe will work PSK for the last 2 contests. And if you want to join the Pennsylvania Ohio DX Society before the contest, you're going to have plenty of time. Now, membership is not required to compete, but it's free to join up. So I would recommend going ahead and doing that. Finally, the Kentucky QSO Party. Standard QSO Party starts at 1400 Zulu on June 5th and goes to 0200 Zulu on June 6th. Now, it's time for the weekly contest tip. Find a contest buddy or join a contest club. Having someone or several someones will keep your motivation for contesting up, give you a chance to work multi-operator stations, and people who will help you improve your operations without judging you for your lack of experience. These are people who truly believe there are no stupid questions. Now, links to the rules for all these contests are in the video descriptions below. If you have a question about the rules, please post them in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you with an answer within 24 hours. If you do a contest, please post a comment letting me know how you did. And please give me a like and consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so you won't miss an update. Also, please share this with family and friends who might enjoy the content. 7-3 for now. Elmer Tom, ND3N. I'm out.